Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MyChart account step by step clearly. To activate your MyChart account, start by visiting the MyChart website on your preferred internet browser. Look for the sign up or activate account option on the homepage. Click on that link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your activation code. This code can usually be found on the enrollment letter you received from your healthcare provider. If you do not have an activation code, check with your healthcare provider for assistance. In the provided field, type your activation code accurately. After entering the code, click on Next to continue. You will then need to provide some personal information for verification. This may include your date of birth, email address, and phone number. Ensure that you enter this information precisely as it appears in your medical records. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on Next again. Now, you will be asked to create a unique username and password. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember. For your password, create a strong one that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure to follow the guidelines provided for password strength. After setting up your username and password, click on Submit. You may be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of MyChart. Read through the terms carefully, then select Accept to proceed. Finally, you will receive confirmation that your MyChart account has been activated. You can now log in using your new credentials. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your MyChart account. Take a moment to explore the features available to you. If you encounter issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider's support team for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.